pre-production. Conceptualization and script writing. First, define the purpose of the video. Is it educational, training, or promotional? Next, write a detailed script outlining the steps of the heart surgery. And don't forget to consult with medical experts to ensure accuracy. Storyboarding. Create a storyboard to visualize each scene and camera angle. Make sure to include notes on movements, transitions, and key actions. Gathering references. Collect anatomical references, including medical images and videos of heart surgeries. Study heart anatomy and the specific surgical procedure. Production. 3D modeling involves using software like Blender, Maya, or 3 Decisikens Max to create three-dimensional models of the heart, surgical instruments, and other necessary elements. It's crucial to ensure anatomical accuracy by referencing medical data. Texturing and shading are the next steps. Apply textures to the models to make them look realistic. Use shaders to create appropriate lighting effects. Rigging is the next crucial step. We need to create a rig, which is essentially a skeletal structure for the heart model. This allows for realistic movement. Additionally, it's important to rig any other elements that need to be animated, such as surgical instruments. Now, let's move on to animation. We animate the heart's movement and the surgical procedure step by step according to the script. It's essential to pay close attention to details like the incision, manipulation of the heart tissue, suturing, and so on. Finally, we come to camera work. Setting up cameras to capture the surgery from different angles is key. We use camera movements to enhance understanding and focus on critical actions. All right, now we move on to post-production. Next up, lighting and rendering. First, set up the lighting to highlight the important parts of the surgery, then render the animation using a powerful rendering engine such as Arnold, V-Ray, or Blender's Cycles. Finally, we come to editing. Import the rendered footage into video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Edit the footage to create a coherent and smooth-flowing video. Don't forget to add transitions, titles, and labels as needed. All right, let's dive into voiceover and sound design. First, we'll record a voiceover that explains each step of the procedure in detail. This will help ensure that the audience understands what's happening at every stage. Next, we need to add some background music. The right music can set the tone and mood, making the video more engaging and enjoyable to watch. Finally, we'll incorporate sound effects. These can really bring the video to life, adding an extra layer of immersion and realism. By combining these elements, we can create a more dynamic and captivating experience for the viewers. 12. Review and feedback. Share the video with medical experts for review and feedback. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback. 13. Final output. Export the final video in the desired format and resolution. Ensure that the video is accessible and meets the requirements of the target audience. Tools and software. For 3D modeling and animation, you can use Blender, Maya, 3 Decisikens Max, or Cinema 4D. For texturing, Substance Painter and Photoshop are great options. When it comes to rendering, Arnold, V-Ray, and Cycles are popular choices. For editing, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve are widely used. And for sound design, consider Audacity or Adobe Audition. Considerations. Accuracy is crucial. Ensure that all anatomical details and surgical steps are accurate. Clarity is also important. The animation should clearly depict each step of the surgery. And don't forget educational value. The video should be informative and easy to understand. By following these steps, you can create